Hello, this is Nick from Laptop Media, and today we will show you how to open the Acer TravelMate P2, TMP216-51-G2. To open this 16-inch notebook, you have to undo 13 Phillips head screws. Pop the top two edges with a thin plastic tool and pry the sides and the back. Then, work your way around the front. The battery isn't secured to the base with screws because there is a dedicated socket for it on the inside of the bottom panel that keeps the unit fixed. Our machine is equipped with the optional 65 watt-hour battery. The base model has a capacity of 53 watt-hours. To remove it, detach the connector by pulling it towards the unit and lift the battery. The capacity is enough for 11 hours of video playback. Our test was conducted with the Battery Saver preset activated in the Windows Power and Battery menu and the Normal mode applied in the AcerSense app. The pair of memory slots are covered with a heat shield and you can unglue it. The RAM modules and the pre-installed NVMe are wrapped in Mylar films. The one for the memory has a thermal pad on the inside. According to Acer, the slots fit up to 64 gigabytes of DDR5, 5,200 MHz memory in dual-channel mode. However, since the CPU can support up to 96 gigabytes, this laptop likely wouldn't have issues running a larger amount of memory than the official manufacturer's specified limit. For storage upgrades, you can rely on two M.2 slots, one for Gen 4 and one for Gen 3 SSDs. The optional SATA slot for normal HDDs or SSDs is on the left of the cooling, while the replaceable Wi-Fi 6E card is below the fan. The cooling seems pretty simple with its single fan, one heat pipe, a top-mounted heat sink, and a heat spreader.